Hello, Kirby. My name is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations. In this screencast, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring more customers to your business, Kirby's Lawn and Garden. Now, the first question is usually along the lines of why I should do this. Well, Kirby, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation that they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I have found that giving people an easy attack plan of things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in those local owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Sergio, can you please do this for me? So if by the end of the video you liked what you heard, you can see the skills out to help your business grow and land more customers, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it out yourself, that works for me too. Now before you try to do it yourself though, let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your local competition. The first thing I like to go over is your content. So in order for your business to be optimized to Google or any business, your landing page, aka homepage, needs at least 1,500 words filled with keywords. And I found your site has about 137 words currently. So in comparison to one of your competitors, Suburban Lawn and Garden, I did a quick search and they have about 272 words filled with keyword-rich content. Now this is still very beatable. This shows how rich keyword content is such a powerhouse of authority for Google. Now, every month people are searching for these certain keywords a number of times, which you miss out on not being number one. So as we can see when I pull up this tool, Ahrefs, you can see what your site is actually ranking for. And your site is dense with about 125 backlinks, not too bad, 38 referring domains, and 88 organic keywords. So taking a deeper dive into your organic keywords, if it loads, you can see that the first one pops up is Curby. So this is your highest income streaming ROI word that you can obtain right now because 1,500 volume, 7 KD, and 9 traffic. So imagine if you were in the first position, you'd be getting at least 40% of the total click volume of Curby. Now that could be going into like the Curby vacuum, so I wouldn't put your money on that keyword because that could definitely be meaning a different type of Curby, not your Curby. But there's also all these ones down here that you can keep ranking higher for. So all your KDs, you want at least 1 KD, 0 KD to about 6 KD is optimal when you're first starting getting all these keywords. Now you want to set up your backlinks to where you want a laser landscaping to be your link back to your landing page. So volume, amount of search traffic this keyword gets, KD, how hard it is to rank, cost per click goes into ads, and traffic is how much you get out of since the position, or whatever the position is the traffic you get out of the volume. So now you know a little bit about what goes into a keyword and how your site ranks. Let's pull up your competitor, Suburban Lawn and Garden. They have about 10,000 organic keywords. So you can always go here, right, and find out different types of keywords that you can also rank for. Now they have a pretty high volume and they do get lots of business. So this could be a bigger corporation. So it'll be easier to rank locally compared to nationally like this guy is doing. But anyways, search volume 11,000 KD1. The traffic is 6,293 in the first position. Really, if you really wanted to, you take it Suburban Lawn and Garden and rank for that keyword. Since it's only 1 KD, you have to get at least like 5 backlinks, maybe even more since it's a bigger corporation, but that's a little idea what else you can do. Now, moving on to the next optimization section is the second most important thing I like to talk about. We call this the Google Map Pack, or maps, local maps. So you have Kansas Lawn Garden, Suburban Lawn Garden, and Snodgrass Lawn KC, or LLC, and yeah, the list keeps going. But what the important thing is your name of the business, the address of where your business is, and the phone number linked to the account. Now you keep entering this into different domains and get your business listed lots of places. That's how you get citations, and that's what we're going to talk about. But it's also always a good idea to keep getting your ratings up and 5 stars. So to answer your question, how you rank your maps, right? You go to this little resource called WhiteSpark, and inside the resource is a tool called Local Citation Finder. And you can see that your site dense with about 42 citation sources, but not all of which will be listed down here because some of those are not credible for Google to obtain as a citation, therefore not giving your Google ranking any power. These ones are though. So these citations, aka NAPs, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area to where you can submit a citation. Lastly, certainly probably one of the most important is your backlinks. Right? We call this gives your site authority link juice. So going back to organic listings from the map pack, Gardner, Kansas, lawn care, right? So you have the map pack, and you have the first organic listing, lawn service, OKC, and you have Snodgrass lawn service number 2, Suburban, LG, and the Lawman. And list keeps going down, right? Well, this is where you want to be, and to get there, you need to be at the competition in every aspect. So this link juice simply works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B, therefore Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. So almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than just that. This link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites that can back at you. So for example, if the lawnman.net would link back to you, going to give you a lot more link juice than a pizza linking back to you because you don't sling pizza for a living. Now I'm going to go over to this tool Aris again, and if you're looking to use this tool, I pay about $100 a month, and it's great for checking out any link juice that any site may have to offer. So here we can see you have about 59. Let's go back to this. Oh, click the wrong button. You have about 125 backlinks. So clicking that, you can see there's a little bit of link juice that your site does obtain. Now, this is nice, but let me show you something better. Check out your competitor and go to his backlinks. You can take every single one that he has and go after him for your own site. Every single one. So once again, we went over content, 1,500 words to your home page, right? And your service pages, service pages, location pages, and any about page. We want at least 1,000 words, if not 700 at least. And for your citations. Now you're doing pretty good citations. I'd keep it up. Keep those citations coming in. And it's your name, address, and phone number entering into different types of directories, right? And you want at least 100 or 200 of these so you can be at the competition in every aspect. Lastly, certainly, probably one of the most important, like I said, is your link juice. So you need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google your authority. So if you implement these strategies today, you can be number 1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering what now, right? Well, you can either go with this information I provide you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 816-654-5822. Once again, my name is Sergio, and my number is 816-654-5822. I look forward to hearing from you, and you have a great one.